SpongeBob SquarePants. Man, are you an old sleepyhead? Well, you were doing the right thing, though. It's good to go to bed early, because then Christmas comes faster, doesn't it? Well, look at this. What a beautiful angel. Isn't that Mrs. Claus? Isn't that the most beautiful angel? Oh, and
Sammy.
And look at this. Oh, pretty. Oh, what beautiful decorations. This is one of the bestest trees I've ever seen. Yes. Boys, oh boy, you did a really good job decorating that tree. Yeah. All right. Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah! There we go. Reach in. Reach in. Oh, he's a little bit scared. Oh, what do you think? Oh, very good. All right, Max. Now, we're going to hang them right up here. Okay, right up here on the tree. And that's for Mom and Dad. And now we're going to get you little Christmas magic. Now, I got to see which pocket it's in. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Is it in there? No. Right there. No, not in there. No. Where is it? Where is it, dear? Is it in here? Oh, wait now. There it is. Right there. Okay. There we go. All right. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, hold your hand out. Hold your hand out. All right, I'm gonna get some right off of this. There we go. Oh, there you go. Wow.
Let's see your magic.
Oh, and hold your hand out. There you go. Oh, and let's get some. Oh, let's see if Ben has the Christmas magic. Oh.
Can you do it again in Ben's hand?
Oh, look. Oh, look. Oh. Oh, now we gotta find something for Max right there. Oh, there you go, Max. Oh.